welder. It is used to join two pieces of metal together, and it can get up to very high temperatures. When you go into the welding room, this is what you start by doing. First, you open the vent. Then you go and turn on the welding machine, both top and the bottom. Here, there are options for voltage and wire speed. If you're welding bigger material, you need higher temperatures to be able to stick them together, so you need to increase the voltage. But make sure you have an appropriate voltage, because if you're welding a metal and the voltage is too high, you'll burn right through your metal. If you look directly at somebody welding, you can severely damage your eyes. That's why you wear a welding helmet. A welding helmet allows you to see normally, but when you start welding, it automatically goes dark, so there's not too much light or pressure on your eyes. The biggest safety hazard if you put on this helmet. Pause off! Also, while welding, you must take care of your colleagues' eyesight, so close the curtain so they don't look at the weld as well. Wear gloves so you don't directly burn your skin. And especially do not touch something right after it's done being welded, unless you're a knucklehead and you want to get burned. So as long as you're being careful and working safe and smart, the welder is a great tool to use.